Welcome to the Maths In. Today we'll solve the Math Olympiad problem from India. Let's take a look at our equation. 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 2 equals 1. Our task is to solve for x. At first glance, it might seem complex, but don't worry. We'll break it down together. Our first step is to find the LCM of the denominators. In this case, we're looking at x minus 1 and x minus 2. The LCM here is simply the product of these terms, x minus 1 times x minus 2. This step is crucial as it allows us to combine our fractions under a common denominator. Now, let's rewrite our equation using this LCM. We get the quantity x minus 2 divided by the product of x minus 1 and x minus 2, plus the quantity x minus 1 divided by the product of x minus 1 and x minus 2 equals 1. Notice how we've maintained the original numerators while using our new common denominator. With a common denominator in place, we can now combine the fractions on the left side of our equation. This gives us the quantity x minus 2 plus the quantity x minus 1, all divided by the product of x minus 1 and x minus 2 equals 1. This step simplifies our equation, bringing us closer to our solution. Let's simplify that numerator. When we add x minus 2 and x minus 1, we get 2x minus 3. So our equation now looks like 2x minus 3 divided by the product of x minus 1 and x minus 2 equals 1. To get rid of the fraction, we'll multiply both sides of the equation by the product of x minus 1 and x minus 2. This leaves us with 2x minus 3 equals the product of x minus 1 and x minus 2. We're now ready to expand the right side of our equation. When we expand x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2, we get x squared minus 3x plus 2. So our equation becomes 2x minus 3 equals x squared minus 3x plus 2. We're getting close to our solution. Let's rearrange this equation to standard form. We'll move all terms to one side, making it equal to 0. This gives us x squared minus 5x plus 5 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation, a type of equation that often has two solutions. To solve this quadratic equation, we'll use the quadratic formula. In our equation, a equals 1, b equals negative 5, and c equals 5. Let's substitute these values into the quadratic formula. We get x equals the 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 20, all divided by 2. Simplifying this, we arrive at our final solution x equals the 5 plus the square root of 5, all divided by 2, or x equals the 5 minus the square root of 5, all divided by 2. These are the two real solutions of our equation. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button.